This is the back side of house number 2. We're on the back porch, and you can see it is unfinished. Back here in the corner, we took out a tree that was pushing right up against the house and a bunch of growth. Of course, there's some siding damage because it's just OSB. Gutters. So now we're going to step inside, and you can see the inside house number 2. There's a nice window here looking out onto the porch. Pan around. This is what would be the kitchen area, unfinished, and then some more pan, and I would call this the den or living area. And you walk across. We have a bedroom or office with an outside door. This is the room, fair sized. We've got some ductwork in place, fairly large wall closet. Adjoining that is a bathroom rough-in with a linen closet. Plumbing fixtures in place. Looking back out at the main room, you walk toward the front of the house. There's a hallway. Little jog goes into bedroom number 2. Nice closet. You come along. Bathroom centered between bedrooms 2 and 3. This is another linen closet. I love the amount of closet space these houses have. This is bedroom 3. It's a little smaller, but it has a bigger walk-in closet on this end. Coming back out in the hallway, you curve around and you can enter through the back of the kitchen here, or continue this way, which is what I would call the dining room traditionally because it's right off the kitchen, or continue here and you have a super large laundry area roughed in, leading into a oversized double garage. What the fuck was that? Scary as shit is what it was. So we got that. We got an electrical box in place. And as you can see, the ceilings on this house are very high. Very nice. Big front window in the dining room. And now we're coming alongside of the kitchen. There's the back door where we entered. We're looking around. This would be the living room space. Front door. And to the left is what would be another potential bedroom or an office space because it doesn't have a closet. However, it does have an adjacent powder room. So this would be like your main one for entry. And then you go in the master area. Got a nice tray ceiling, ductwork. You come back this way. You do have double master closets and a shower and tub feature with a nice block window, linen closet, private toilet stall, double vanity rough-in. This is gonna be house number 2. Which is a really nice house. Laid out really well. It flows.